ADVM 4, CNC Cutting and Fabrication.
Okay, ADVM 4A, CNC Cutting and Fabrication. The modality is in person. There is no prerequisite. The enrollment advisory is there's no CAD experience required for this class. We use Adobe Illustrator for the lasers, and then we use a proprietary software that's built onto the machine on the Protomax waterjet machine. Our lasers are CO2. They can cut through plastic, cardboard, wood. They can engrave metal. And we have a couple new fiber lasers that are designed for specifically engraving metal, built by Haas Automation. So those all work within the class. And we do recommend you take Applied Art and Design 70 before you take this class, but you're not required to. We have an afternoon section, which is CRN 84163, and an evening section, which is ADVM 4A CRN 84164. Now, both of these sections are offered in the second 8 weeks of the term, but there's no prerequisite because it's an A-level class. Here's some project examples from ADVM 4A. What's really nice about this class is if you're creative, you're not sure if you want to go this route with, or you just want to take an ADVM class as an elective for another program, this is a great class for you. You spend the first part of the term learning how to use the equipment, and then in the second half of the term, you propose your own project and you can build it. So these are all students' own designs that they came up with, designed, and then fabricated. So in the bottom left, we have a lantern with frosted patterns that were laser cut on acrylic, and the framework was cut out of wood and then assembled. In the top left, we have what's called an edge lit acrylic project. This is very common in the sign making industry, where the laser cuts around the edges and it does great on acrylic, where it polishes the edges of the acrylic, and wherever it's scored, if you were to put a light on the edge, there's an effect called light piping. And so we have these LED lights you can install, and it creates a display that refracts off what you've laser cut. In the center, I think is one of my favorite. A lady took the class, her son earned his Eagle Scout, so she made this plaque for him. And it's multimedia, so all the in laser, different colors are plastic that was cut out on the laser, and then the base was a wood piece that had pockets cut in it, and they were overlaid on each other. In the upper right, we had a student that outdid himself, head in the class. He designed this whole thing in Fusion, even though it wasn't required. Water jet cut it and did some metal forming, which we do in this class. And at the end of this class, you'll get to learn a painting process called powder coating if your product design needs to be painted. In the bottom right-hand corner, we have a clock, and that was made on the water jet system.
Apply now at sierracollege.edu. And to check out the latest things in our program, follow us on social media